In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the trends in 2020 for men you can buy in Zara stores right now. Coming up. What's up my stylish people, this is Ajang. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspiration, shopping and styling tips for men. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. So we have 7 pieces from the shopping haul and all of them are the uppers. I'm not including any of the trousers in this video. Trousers, I'm gonna make a separate video and I will show you guys what are the best trousers you can pick right now from Zara. That video will be coming up. While showing the pieces, I will quickly explain what is the trend and why you have to pick these pieces. And most of the pieces, even though being in trend, you might be seeing neutral colors in these pieces. Moving on to the first piece and my favorite in this shopping haul. This is my absolute favorite when it comes to all the pieces you are going to see in the shopping haul. If you ended up liking any of the pieces from the shopping haul, all the links can be found in the description below until and unless the item is stocked out. Coming to this jacket, it is a color blocked patch jacket from Zara. It's from the Traveler series from Zara. It is made of technical material and if you see even the inside, it is designed to be water resistant, it is designed to be wind resistant and it will not let water reach inside, and it is having that utility aspect to it. If you see the zippers, you do have the 2 zippers with a rubber lining outside so that it will not let water go inside if you are keeping any mobile phones or something like that. And the rainy season is around, so I thought that it would be the best time to show this jacket and recommend this jacket because it serves the utility purpose while still being stylish as well. I'm not sure how many of us will exactly use the pocket on the back side, but however that is what it is. What I liked about this jacket, one is the color combination. The color combination here, you can see most of the colors, even though it's color blocked, it is a patch. This is the trend in 2020 guys, the color block trend as well as the patch color block. So in color block generally you may see just 2 or 3 different colors. When it comes to patch color blocking, you can see multiple colors and patches of individual colors to it. So here we have the black and white, which are the neutrals, and a mix of beige to it. So it's a very good color combination you can buy when it comes to the color blocking t-shirts or shirts or jackets. So I have gone for this combination. That's what I am in love with. And second thing, being this jacket a water resistant one, if you go for the rain jackets, the inside material will not be smooth and it will hurt your skin. For example, when you go for this jacket, the inside material, this have that velvety kind of a finish to it, which feels so smooth on your skin. If you are wearing just a half sleeve t-shirt and the rest of your arms is exposed, this feels so smooth on your skin. And the third thing what I like about this jacket is the versatility you can get. Being the material so thin, not only during the rainy season, you will be good to go to use this across different seasons. That's the versatility you can get with the colors as well as the material they have gone for. Coming to the size, I got this in a size of medium. It is priced, yes, relatively higher, not relatively, it is higher at 6,000 rupees. But however, right now in Zara, in special prices section, you can get this as low as 2,790. I'm so sorry guys, if by the time you're watching this video, if you can't find your size for this, I'm really sorry. But however, when I am shooting this video, they do have all the sizes available. Moving on to the piece number 2. This is a sweatshirt from Zara. Here the trend is paint splatter or color blocking in a minimal aspect. Here you can see even it's written as color distortion. So this is a black sweatshirt from Zara. I got this in a size of medium. This is a loose fitting sweatshirt guys. This is an oversized one. If you don't like the oversized look of it, make sure that you size down. This is priced at 2,790, but I got it for a price of 1,590. Even though if you're going for the trends also, I suggest you guys to go for the neutral colors. Here I have gone for the black color and then I have gone for the paint splatter. This is also very minimal, but still keeping you in the trend. Coming to the fit of it, overall for the price point of 1,590, and this can be super versatile and also can make you look stylish as well. Moving on to the piece number 3. It is a geometric pattern regular fit shirt from Zara in half sleeves. I got this in a size of small. This is priced at 2,590 and I got this for a price of 1,290 rupees guys. Here the trend is geometric pattern. Lately this trend has picked up very fast and you can see most of the fast fashion brands including geometric patterns into their resort fit shirts and the half sleeve shirts in particular. So this will make a great buy if you pick this right now without waiting to see each and everyone wearing the trends by the time you pick one. Coming to the color combinations, as I said earlier, just I have went with one neutral color and a beige color to it. And also if you see this very closely, next to the beige color they have almost a subtler kind of a brown, like a paint. They have this, and being this geometric pattern, I am in love with the shirt. One aspect I did not like, I have a disqualifier here in terms of what I did not like for this shirt. Even though it's small size, for this size it's too long. If you don't want your shirts to be too long, this is not the one for you. You can skip this one because it's too long. You can work around by just doing that half tuck in or whatever the way you want to style it, but this is what it comes with. Overall, the fit wise it's great. It is having that relaxed fit to it. Moving on to the piece number 4. It is a tropical print shirt from Zara in a size of small, and it is relaxed fit. This is also priced at 2,590 and I got it for a price of 1,290. Coming to this, it is a tropical print. Yes, so many of you guys are asking me to do a video on the floral prints. I also wanted to let you guys know that tropical print is the recent trend, guys. It has been there from quite some time, but it is picking up, as I told, with the geometric trends. You can see these have a color combination of the black and white along with the beige and olive to it. Coming to the fit of this, it fits on the relaxed end. I got this in a size of small. Even though it is multicolored, it will not look awkward because it is not in the face kind of a colors. The colors are much more subtler, and also the tropical print can make you look stylish. Overall, I like this shirt and I would recommend to you guys. This is available in one more colorway also. Just feel free to check it out in Zara. Coming to the piece number 5. You must be thinking, what's the trend in this one? This is a plain beige color knitted shirt. Yes, being a knitted shirt, you can use this as a versatile piece just to layer as a jacket or a cardigan because it is having a ribs at the end of the sleeves. As per the recent trends, you will be seeing more of the knitted shirts and more of the viscose material free flowing shirts, either this side of the spectrum or the other side of the spectrum. It's not only useful during the winter season, but it is also versatile to use across different seasons. But however, if I have to nitpick one, what the drawback I have seen, the ribs at the end, these are too tight for the size it offers and it will not come in the small size. It starts at the medium size. I got the medium size, which is perfect for me in terms of the length. This is priced at 2,790 and I got this for a price of 1,590. For that price, I feel it's worth because of the color, the solid color which I have picked for without any pattern. It is so clean. It could be super versatile, and also the knits from Zara, if you don't know by this time, they do have very good quality knits. And even though if you want to just wear it as a shirt, don't keep the last button. It looks super cool, guys. Coming to the piece number 6. It is a t-shirt. It's written as a knitted sweater, oversized sweater from Zara, but I consider this as a t-shirt with knit material to it. It's a color block t-shirt in a pleasant color combination, and the color combination, guys, I love it. Here the trend is color blocking. The colors, what they have gone for the neutral colors. Coming to the yellow color also, it is a pastel color, and overall this combination looks pleasant. This is priced at 2,590 and I got this in a size of medium. That is the least size available. It starts with medium, like how the knitted shirt I mentioned earlier. Being it an oversized one, only if you like that aspect of the clothing, you pick this one. Moving on to the last piece, and the piece number 7 is the one which I am wearing from the start of this video. Here the trend is tie-dye. Tie-dye has been the trend. Lately it has been picking up like crazy, and you can see most of the fast fashion brands going for the tie-dye. This is a t-shirt I got in a size of medium. This is priced at 1,890. I got it for an absolute bargain of 990 for this t-shirt. For the quality and for the trend, I think it's a good deal. Here I have gone for the black. Along with that, it is having that aspect of grey color to it, which I feel it will look super cool. And also it is an loose fitting t-shirt. If you don't want that aspect of it, I recommend you guys to size it down. I got this in a size of medium. I hope you guys enjoy this video on the trends in 2020 for Indian men, and the pieces you can pick for that exact trend from Zara. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. I'll see you guys in my next video.